You can already tell by the title, I've got a 12 kilo Cnfans haul. Let's check it out. Now, as you can see, I shipped this out on the 25th and it arrived 10 days later. And don't forget that if you sign up with my URL, you'll get up to $129 off your next haul. Plus, all the items in this video can be found in my spreadsheet. All right, so first item we got is this Supreme jersey. Let's open this up. Already tell this material feels super nice. Check out the print on the front. Of course, you've got the number 52 on the back. Now, these do run slightly bigger, so I ended up getting a size small, even though I'm normally a medium, and it fits perfect now. Next up, we got some underwear. Let's check these ones out from Daoz. No complaints here. They're super soft, and they were super cheap. Now, we got this like Lamborghini racing tee. Really unique find, this one. Then I got 3 pairs of these budget sunglasses. None of these were above $3. I'll show you them now. First are like these Balenciaga-inspired sunglasses, and then I got another in that style. And then the last ones are these other Balenciaga-styled ones with the like greenish lens. Next up, a classic gallery department wash tee. It's got a super nice print on the front, as you can see. And then we've got another wash tee. This one's from Represent, as you can see. It's got the print on the front with the pocket. And then also on the back, it's got the big print. These also do run slightly baggy. So if you want a tighter fit, probably size down. But if you like a baggier fit, keep it true to size. This one's one of my favorites, this Led Zeppelin band graphic tee. Look at that print on the front. Obviously needs a bit of a wash and an iron. But then it's also got the members on the back. Got this t-shirt from Purple. It's a nice blue. This will go good in the summer. Cheeky couple of tech finds. I might do a separate video on these. Also got this crazy find. And this. But back to the more clothing style stuff. I got another t-shirt from Purple. This one's more of a washed inspired look. It's got this really nice white print on the front. And it's just plain on the back. Probably my favorite item from the haul is this washed Metallica tee. It's a collab with Represent, so you know the quality on this is bang on. Now, sizing wise for this, I'd honestly stay true to size because the baggy look on this just makes it look so much better. Another one from the same seller, Represent tee. Had to cop a Hellstar one as well, and guess what? This one is literally NFC scannable. And now, obviously, because we're coming into summer, I had to get some shorts as well. You kind of have to have these shorts just to feel the material, but I'm telling you right now, these feel so comfortable. Now, all the items that you've just seen are going to be in my spreadsheet under the hauls from videos tab. I'm actually, straight after filming this, going to put them all into the spreadsheet. So if you like any of the items, go check them out.